Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing with this lovely box. If you can see, this is the FabFitFun starter box here, and I just received it today. I didn't even open it because I wanted to open it up with y'all, and it's such a cute box. Okay, so I was told about this whole starter box situation from a fellow YouTuber, my girl Naturally Ronnie. And I never even knew that they had starter boxes, and I was like, okay, you know, I always want to try FabFitFun. They have like a lot of stuff for like hair, skin, you know, they have seasonal boxes. So I was like, let me give this a try. And this box was only $5, okay? $5, and I believe it had about, I don't know, $100 worth of products or something like that, $70 worth of products. I was like, sis, $5? Send me the link, boo. Okay, so I want to open this up with y'all. I didn't open this at all. I just got in the mail. I just got home. So we're gonna open it together. So I got my scissors here, and let me not show my address, even though this is a temporary address in California. But since y'all can still stalk me. Okay. So I just love this box. Okay. So welcome to our new favorite thing. FabFitFun. Okay, so this is what the box looks like inside. The first thing that it comes with, it's a little wrinkle, sis, but it comes with a FabFitFun magazine, and I guess it's a magazine. It pretty much is a magazine for the starter box. So it pretty much tell you some things about FabFitFun in here, and also it tells you about some brands that they actually worked with. Okay, so in the box it comes with a little note from us, and it reads, "At FabFitFun, we're all about bringing you the best of the best. That's why we're super excited for you to experience the starter box. It's just a small taste of what you can look forward to as a FabFitFun member. Enjoy some of our top-rated products, and don't forget that your next box will be even bigger and include even more products. Happy unboxing." They also have on the back of here a what's in your box, and it actually tells you about all the products that are in your box, as well as the retail price and the individual price for each and every product. So this box actually retails for $167, but I only got it for $5. Ignore the dollars on the back. I'm trying. So this is what the box looks like inside with the FabFitFun sticker. So the first thing that it comes with is this Lavido inspired by natural body lotion, and this has orange and moringa in it, and also supposed to hydrate, nourish, and protect the skin for all skin types. This item also retails at $19. Okay, so the next thing I have in here is the Way of Will Strengthening Nail Cuticle Serum, and it's supposed to moisturize your nails while protecting the cuticles against dryness and damage. The serum contains emollient-rich foam, argan oil, and vitamin E to strengthen your nails in between paint jobs. So this nail serum is something that I'm really going to use, I believe, because I do want to start kind of like growing on my nails and kind of getting them a little bit stronger. So like, you know, instead of using fake nails, because I can't really wear fake nails as a nurse, but this is something that I'm definitely going to start trying out. So the next thing I have in here is the Somerville Intensive Exfoliating Treatment, and this is a physical and chemical exfoliation to improve the appearance of the skin texture and pores while brightening and reducing the appearance of fine line and wrinkles. So I'm assuming you could probably use this on your face. Maybe I'm going to check it out first and look at some reviews because my face is a little bit sensitive. But yeah, and this item alone retails at $75. So just this one thing here is $75 when I only paid $5 for the box. This is cute. This is cute. Okay, so the last thing they have in here is the Mark and Graham, and this is the Color Block Throw in gray or ivory. Yeah, gray. And this is supposed to be cozy up with a woven throw, which features a stripe pattern and cool fringe detailing. So this is so cute. It's starting to be the winter time, so this is a nice little throw to, you know, do some Netflix and chill or whatever. So yes, and this retails at $49 for a throw. Maybe it's the brand name, but so yeah, this is just $49. So the whole entire box retails at $167, and I only paid $5. Now I believe a regular FabFitFun box costs around $50 per season, I believe. You know, don't quote me on it. Check your sources. But to say you get, you know, these 4 items and they retail at $167 and it's on for $5, I really do suggest trying out the starter box. Thank you, Naturally Ronnie, for letting me know about this, sis. So yeah, so I'm also going to put the link down in the description box if you do want to try out the starter box yourself, so you can get the information to try it out. Okay guys, so if you did enjoy this unboxing, go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up, and if you haven't already, go ahead and click the subscribe button and hit the bell button so you're notified every single time when I post a new video. Bye guys.